In this section, we are going to learn and master the important skills which we need from core Python. The main intention of this section is to equip you with the Python programming essentials so that you are familiar with the important concepts and be comfortable when writing the programs in future sections of this course. Assuming that you're very new to programming, what we will do is, we will begin by understanding the variables in Python programming language. From there, we will learn about the different data type value for each of the variable can hold. And then, we learn to perform mathematical operations on each of the numeric data type. And once we are done with the math, we will move our focus to understanding the strings in Python. So guys, once you have completed the first 6 videos in this section, you will have a fair understanding of different data types in Python. And using all the understandings, we will dive into understanding data structures in Python, where you learn about the different collections of data in Python. And then we understand how to add logic in our programs by making use of different conditional statements. And in the final parts of this section, we will understand about the functions and classes in Python, which is one of the important concepts from programming perspective. So guys, by completing this section, you will be ready to do the mini project on Python programming, which will give you the confidence to proceed further in deep learning journey. So let's get started.